Right, bugger. So your Welsh accent is not an all Welsh accent. Hang on a minute. Your Welsh accent is not an all Welsh accent. I am born and raised and speak Welsh as my first language 24/7 and only speak English when I have to. And my accent is nothing like what you do. You are doing a southeast. Right. I'm sorry. If you were here right now, maybe what I could do is I could copy you. So what I'd love you to do is not be angry that I'm not doing your accent. I'm just doing the one I learned. But what would be great is if you could go to, I have a website, it's theaccentbank.com. I'll link it below. And I ask everybody, go to the Accent Bank, read a script. It takes like 3 minutes. And then what I do is I edit it and I put it up on my website, The Accent Bank. And basically it's a free thing for people who want to learn different accents. And I only want to get better. I just want to do accents really good, So if I'm not doing your accent, which I never said I was, but you're probably never going to speak to me again, actually, after this video. You're not going to be like, she's not very nice, is she? She's taking the piss out of me. But I wasn't. Well, I was a bit. But I'm just, I would love to learn your accent if you'd like to share it with me. Okay. Sorry.